I am at, what is this called?
The boathouse.
Hotel I don't know, the house or motel. The hotel.
The boathouse.
The boathouse, yeah.
Hold this.
The
Hold this.
boathouse motel.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
My aunt's work. I'm guessing.
Her mommy's work.
Alright, I need to sit down.
Look, we're in Marco Island. This is such a great
I need to
view.
wet my hair right here, because I don't like when it pops up.
Yeah.
So pretty. There's Tia. Where's Juvia? Here. Jezza. Your hair looks fine.
Who just really jump down there and come back up?
Me. Bye, Abby. Wait. Wah, 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 wah. We did crackle nail.
supposed to get back up?
Push.
We did crackle nail polish. Let me see it, Giselle. Where is it?
Okay, I'm going to.
Wow. Oh, she fell. Oh, bye, Abby.
I came back up.
Then go all the way around.
No, is it my mom like it?
Yeah. I was going to say, I actually jumped out. Oh, wait, there's no way to get back up. I was like, nah. You can do it. Swing sideways. Don't, Gaio.
Now you should have done it because of your fault.
Not my fault.
Tell me to.
Fuera, aquí. Pon la pata aquí, mira.
Oh, hi, Tia. Snazzy. It's all snazzy.
What is that?
It's a, I don't know how to say it, Penske truck rental. It's when you rent trucks. Bye, Giselle.
Esta güera, tú.